Hello friends, this is Shashikant and today we are going to discuss the MHAAC CET 2006 theory paper. So the question number 1, Ellora caves are located in options West Bengal, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Maharashtra and D. Karnataka. So the correct answer is C. Maharashtra. So as you know, Ellora or Veru is a UNESCO World Heritage Site which is located in Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Taj Mahal is constructed by A. Shivaji, B. Babur, C. Jahangir, D. Shah Jahan. Right answer is D. Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal is an white ivory marble mausoleum on the south bank of Yamuna River in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Question number 3. Advertising design as known as A. Painting, B. Applied art, C. Memory drawing, D. Object drawing. So the right answer is B. Applied arts. Question number 4. Sun Temple is at A. Ellora, B. Khajuraho, C. Konark and D. Madras. So the correct answer is C. Konark. And very importantly, Sun Temple is known as Black Pagoda because it is built in black granite. Work of art created in metal is known as A. Painting, B. Sculpture, C. Poster, D. Carpet. They have misspelled the word sculpture. Sculpture is a branch of the visual arts that operates in 3 dimensions. Question number 6. He is a world famous artist. A. Lenin, B. George Bush, C. Picasso and D. Nehru. So among all these, Pablo Picasso was a famous artist. He is known for co-founding Cubist movement. Question number 7. Soft pencil is A. H, B. 4H, C. B and D. 6H. So the correct answer is C. B. Pencil H letter indicates hard grade and B designate to the blackness of the pencil. B grade means the core has more graphite. Question number 8. Creation of a cup and a saucer is a job of weaver, B. photographer, C. carpenter and D. ceramist. Ceramic art is an art which is made by ceramic. It may include pottery, tableware, etc. Question number 9. Shiva Mahesh Murthy, also known as Trimurti, situated in A. Elephanta, B. Ellora, C. Delhi, D. Agra. So the correct answer is A. Elephanta. Elephanta cave temples, predominantly dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva, consist of 5 Hindu caves and a few Buddhist stupa date back to 2nd century BCE. Question number 10. He is a famous painter of India. A. Munshi Premchand, B. Raja Ravi Verma, C. S. Radhakrishnan, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. So everybody knows Raja Ravi Verma is considered among the greatest Indian painter.